Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Development, transformation, Niger Delta, my people hear me again. My Niger Delta. When you create such an account, which means the NDDC is not free financially. They are the people on ground. They are in the Niger Delta. They know the problem the people are facing. This is unfair. They should remove, so that in fact, that bottleneck should be removed. If they want to sincerely develop the Niger Delta area, they should remove such bottleneck problem. They should remove it out of the way. They should give the NDDC a free hand to act. The whole of the Niger Delta area, you hardly see schools, good schools. Even if you have universities, they are not well equipped. They are not well equipped. Books are not provided for students. And students too are paying high prices for their school fees is astronomically high. So you are bringing destruction to the people, hunger, starvation. That's why you say the people there, they are volatile, they are militants. Why will they not be militants? When you don't give them school to go, you don't train them, you don't do anything for them, they will definitely react. They are not animals. There's a limit to which we can endure suffering. When it goes beyond that level, it brings frustration. And that's why you see so many people, you see them, they are walking and they are talking as if they are mad. It's the hunger, it's the deprivation. So the Nigerian government should wake up to their task. They should be sincere in dealing with the people of the Niger Delta. Enough is enough. What they need to do is to play a supervisory role. They should play a supervisory role. If NDDC is living up to their task, if they do that, it's enough. They shouldn't, by way of killing them at the embryonic stage, by making them fundless, by not funding them adequately.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,